The Hyatt Regency Orlando Airport is the only hotel inside the Orlando Airport, otherwise known as MCO. And this is a really nice hotel. We stayed here for 2 nights in between flights and before a really early morning flight. And most people are probably going to be spending the night here if you get in late, if you're departing early, or they even have day rooms that you can use. So this property is located between Terminal A and B at the Orlando Airport. If you've been walking through the airport, chances are you might have walked right through here, not even realized it was a hotel. So this is the lobby area where you are going to be checking in. And then from the lobby area, you can overlook into the main lobby of the airport, so to speak. This is going to be the concierge area. They do have computers available for use, only to print out boarding passes, though. You have to pay for any other use. The lobby bar is open for anybody. If you are traveling through the airport, catching a flight, we highly suggest the lobby bar. It was really nice. Again, great atrium views overlooking what's going on in the airport. We had an appetizer that came with 3 different courses. This was really, really good. We were actually pleasantly surprised at how good the lobby bar was at MCO. There is going to be 2 other places that you can dine at the Hyatt. One of those is going to be Hemisphere, and we'll show you that in a moment. But what we really loved was the open airiness of this hotel. It was not claustrophobic or dark. It almost felt like you were totally removed from the airport, except when you saw views of the runways out of the window. We love the water features. There was so many fresh plants that were growing along the balconies and throughout the hotel atriums. That was really, really pleasant and really nice touch that just made this hotel a little bit better than what you were probably expecting an airport hotel to be. This is going to be Hemisphere Restaurant. It wasn't open while we were there, but I would love to enjoy fine dining there some other time. So this is one of the atriums that is inside, and you can see the huge glass windows that overlook the runway, the terminals, and in just a moment you will see the monorail that is coming from the terminals to the main part of the airport. That'll be on the left-hand side. This is also overlooking that pool. That pool is really nice. We spent several hours there. It's not as busy and loud as you would think it is, located next to the runways. Every now and then, obviously, you're going to see a flight take off, but it was a really nice, tranquil oasis, away from all the hustle and bustle of the airport, and highly, highly suggest enjoying some time at the pool. So this was our room 9072. This was a king-size bedroom with an atrium view. And this is us checking in late at night when our flight got in. Highly, highly suggest this room. We were actually really happily surprised. I thought it was going to be loud being on the atrium and an airport hotel. It was among the most quiet hotels we've ever been in as far as rooms. It was really, really nice. The lighting was actually pretty interesting. The lighting could have been changed a little bit for ease of use, but for a stylistic point of view, it was kind of intriguing. This is a 360 square foot room. The couch does have a sofa bed that pulls out, and then a lot of modern styling. And what we're showing you now is, I don't know if this was a refrigerator or a mini bar that just wasn't stocked. Then they have a coffee area. You get 2 water bottles. That is part of your stay. It wasn't an inexpensive stay. I'll have to say that, but it was really nice. So chances are you're probably only going to be spending 1 night. We had to spend 2. So this is that atrium view. At one point, I'm sure you could have walked out onto the balcony. We couldn't figure out how to do that, so I'm assuming that you can't do that now. And then the temperature control. Have you ever seen a 0.5 degree temperature control? It went up by 0.5 degrees. It was so weird. So this is the closet area with a few drawers And then to the side is an actual closet with a door that closes. That's where the ironing board is. We'll just show you some of those amenities as we're walking through the room. Then the bathroom area. So as we are wrapping up the tour, I will just say the bed was extremely comfortable as well. If you are going to be booking this hotel, be sure that you are booking the airport at the airport location. I actually made a wrong reservation and booked the wrong hotel. It was kind of misleading. Maybe it was just what I was doing while I was doing the research, but just be sure to get the one that is actually at the airport. And I have to say, there is nothing that beats the convenience of walking out of your hotel room, taking the elevator down to the main floor, and then going immediately through security. No hassle of parking. Like, it was the easiest way to start a flight and much appreciated. So keep that in mind. If you have an early morning flight, this really might reduce your stress level and is a really nice property to be staying at.